Alright guys, Tepco Cycle Repair here. Finally I got the cafe bike back up on the rack. It has been a storm in here with work. It's just that time of the year where you get a lot of people dropping things off, and it's insane. Every time I try to get this thing back on, I look in the driveway and I got stuff dropped off for me to work on. So I wanted to show you where I'm at with the tail section so you can get an idea of how progress has been going. And so far right here I have the seat on here, and I wanted to show you what I'm doing for the tail light. For the tail light and the not turn signals, these are going to be running lights here, and I'll have the option of making them turn signals. But what those are like those small LEDs they use in tractor trailers. All right, they're real nice. They fit into a 3/4 inch hole. So the end of the tubes right there were a little bit bigger, so I just kind of tapped the end of it so it would fit. And as far as the rear tail section goes, I still got some cleaning up to do here. This piece right here I'm going to cut out and put a flat plate in there. This tail section right here is the tail section that used to be on the bike. So it used to come down here and kind of, you know, hang real low against the wheel, and it's kind of a lot of the cafe bikes you see, they kind of sag an ass down there low. I don't like that. So what I did was I cut it here at an angle right here. I added this piece in. This right here, this is the bar that was used to go down, so I took it and flipped it over. And then when you flip it over, you already have the same distance from here to here. So it was kind of easy for me to set it up there. I got the angle that I wanted with the tank. Got the tank where it's lower in the front. I made some brackets to bring it back and down. This is the rear mount for the tank right here. Welded that on there. Right now I'm going to work on the electrics. I'll probably put one of the main one here, the two individual spark coils, whatever the hell those things are, those little black ones. They're going to go on here also. So everything will be kind of hidden in this little triangular area that I have. God, my phone is just, this focus is killing me, guys. I'm sorry. So it's going to be hidden inside of there. And then I'll have just a flat plate to kind of protect them, and then it can get air and everything in there. So I'm going to get those welded on there, get this back section painted, and we should be looking good. But I want to give you guys an update what's going on here, how the tail section is going. It is coming along now. It's back up on the rack. I got the pipes laid on there. They got little baffles in the bottom. And but it's coming, guys. It's coming. Stay tuned. Hit the like button. Subscribe to keep up with this build. And I'm going to be jamming on this thing. So keep tuned in. Till next time, guys, it's Tepco Cycle Repair.